bachelorettes, 2 weddings, and any other party. DJ Chef will keep you grooving and keep those bellies full.
Yeah,
we eating good here, huh?
Yeah,
That's
he's
it.
the only entertainer who cooks while he DJs.
That's it. Got to bring the whole party.
You know what? You
That's the
figured
king of
this
the
thing out.
multitask right
You
here. The
figured
king of
it
the
out.
multitask.
He is also the winner of several awards from The Knot and the Best of Long Island. He's here to spin the beats while cooking the treats.
That's it.
Spin the beats and cook the treats.
DJ Chef, welcome.
Thanks for having me, guys.
Thank you for celebrating with us.
Congratulations. Yeah,
Thank you.
that's
Big
amazing.
day.
Thank you so much.
Big day for us.
So how does a DJ become a chef? Or were you a chef and then you became a DJ?
I
Chicken
started
and
as a
the egg.
DJ,
Okay.
like in high school, doing our local parties and
Yeah.
stuff. And then I got a job with a caterer who urged me to go to culinary school, get a career for myself, which I did. Went to New York Restaurant School, 34th Street. Worked with Bobby Flay, went through the whole circuit.
I'll drop
Not
that
Bobby
name.
Flay.
Drop
We
that
know him.
name.
Then I started doing the dinner parties, and I just thought they were a little boring. So I just thought to get my roots as a DJ, drop the music, and these boring dinner parties turn into legit parties. And
No
do a lot
way.
of birthdays, bachelorette parties, and I do corporate events where I DJ and cook
do-
up a little tasting.
How many times have you spun the shrimp and and picked up the and tried to pick up? How do you cook? Everything
as
is
a
so-
There's a lot.
as
There's a lot going
chef,
on right here.
we have a lot of pans on the stove, so to
Yeah.
speak. So changing the song is not like a really big task for me. So.
Okay.
Now, do you plan the playlist around what the vibe is going to be of the party?
Or the food.
Yeah, I don't really do like playlists. I have my whole catalog right here, and then obviously you want to read the crowd, like
Read the room.
DJs do. Read the crowd.
Give 'em what they want. Give 'em what they
Younger
want.
crowd, play some newer stuff. Older crowd, get some throwbacks going. It's really not rocket science. But,
To me, it's not a party unless you play some Donna Summer.
Oh,
I'm
yeah?
showing my age.
All right.
I can get behind
Last
Donna Summer.
Dance.
Okay, so you said you do corporate events. We hear that you
You're known on the Food Network.
Yeah, I won Cutthroat Kitchen on Food Network. Brought
not
home the belt.
Cutthroat Kitchen. What did you make?
What
What did you throw down?
I had fish tacos.
Ooh.
I won that round. Yeah. Crab cakes
Oh, yes.
and eggs Benedict.
Now, who taught you to cook before you went to the New York restaurant?
So my great-grandfather had a little produce vegetable store in Long Beach growing
Love
up,
it.
and we used to go pick them up. And he used to kind of teach me about all the vegetables and stuff, and they would cook for me. So I simultaneously, kind of in the back of my mind, knew all these ingredients. So when I got a job as a cook, I kind of had a little head start on
Right.
it, and I had a little passion
From
for
your
it.
grandpa.
Yeah, from my grandfather. Yeah.
Now, you DJ and cook for some local events, or
Yeah.
some local charities, too,
Yeah.
along with public events. So, do you have anything special coming up?
Yeah, we have the Marty Lyons Celebrity Golf charity event coming up
Excuse you.
in Long Island. I do the Chocolate Expo at Hofstra University
sure,
every
yeah.
year.
Oh,
That's a
nice.
nice event. And I do the Victor Green charity event. I work with Encourage Kids.
So you
Yeah,
are a
so-
philanthropist in addition to an
Yeah,
entertainer.
you can't always
and chef.
take. Got to give back. That's
Aw.
where
Yeah.
the magic happens.
Can we maybe get around some of this? What are you
Yeah.
making for us
So
today,
I'm
chef?
doing our
DJ,
Hamptons.
chef.
We're doing the Hamptons shrimp tacos, and in the Hamptons everything's a little extra, a little
That's
more
right.
luxurious.
A lot.
So we're gonna
So are we.
So we're gonna spike it with a little Hampton
Hampton water, of
rosé.
course. Is that Bon Jovi?
Yeah, you want
Yes, that's
to
Bon
do the
Jovi.
spiking?
I
please?
would love
Do
to.
this-
Tell me when. I got a
She's
heavy
good. All right,
hands.
Ready? Go. Ah, that's it.
I heard go, that's it.
All right. So
More
let
for you
that
to
cook
drink
down.
afterwards, exactly.
And we'll add a little shrimp stock. That's gonna
Okay.
the flavor there. And we're gonna finish it with a little butter.
Okay.
All right.
You gotta have butter.
So I had cooked these shrimp down ahead of time a little bit. So we're gonna plate one up. We're gonna take a little bit of our double cabbage slaw right there.
Right here. Oh, I love a slaw.
All right. That's
Is that
gonna
enough?
give the crunch. All right.
Yep.
Then
This is yummy.
maybe take 2 shrimp.
2 shrimp each. And you're
Yeah.
not even worried about the music. The music is just doing its thing.
You gotta jump back and make
Okay.
sure you
He's got to monitor both. He's got to monitor
All right.
both. Here, I'll give you those.
And then we're
What
gonna
else do we
hit
need?
it with the avocado
Oh, yes.
aioli.
Oh, I love an
Aioli.
aioli. Yes,
With a little
please.
drizzle
Okay.
there. Boom, boom.
There we go.
All right, and then we're gonna finish
Ow,
it.
you're
Marisol,
doing
you
a
wanna
great
jump
job.
in?
Yeah.
Some colorful
Marisol,
peppers.
come
We
on.
need a little color there.
Get to work.
Sure. You know,
Give it a
I'll
little
be a
bam.
sous chef any
And then finish
day.
it with the fresh
My
cilantro.
hands are clean-ish.
That's it. Well, we're just cooking for
It's
us.
just
You know,
going
we're
in your
cooking
own
for
mouth.
guests. We'll have the gloves and stuff. But boom, there you go.
That's
And
gorgeous.
this is how it looks when it's
This is
done.
Oh, wait, look at that. Look at this present. Is that you on the
Bring
stick?
it forward. Bring it forward
Hold
so
up.
we can see it.
Look at the
this.
branded toothpick. I don't even know.
Look at
You call
this.
that a toothpick? What is that? That's great.
Yeah, it's a
That's
pick,
got his
um,
facha on it. Here, Lo, bring it. There we go.
So,
there we go.
Alright.
So you've
we go.
cooked for some famous people, yeah?
Performed, cooked, whatever you want to call
Yeah,
it. This is
yeah.
a performance
You know.
right here.
Yeah.
We're out there at big events, and you bump into some notable people.
You gonna name drop besides Bobby Flay? Anybody that you've gotten to serve with your skills?
Yeah, I don't like to name drop, you know, but a lot of people that you know.
Most memorable
Most famous,
experience.
though,
Oh.
I'm going to say that, you know, I always remember I was a sous chef at Time Cafe, and, you know, that was like the hot spot,
Yeah.
Lafayette and Houston.
Yeah.
Yep.
John Kennedy Jr. used to come in on his rollerblades.
On his
And it's like-
rollerblades?
Yeah,
John,
yeah.
John.
Yeah, rollerblading around the town and stuff. He'd come up at the bar, eat at the bar, so cool.
On his rollerblades.
Yeah.
Well, that's something else.
Yeah,
Right?
R.I.P.
that was
John,
great.
John.
That was great.
This is fantastic. All right, I should probably taste this.
Yeah,
Go ahead,
let's
Marty.
taste
Since
this
you
one.
went through the trouble, you're going to change the song? Or
yeah.
has the song changed? I mean, I'm concerned. This
This is great, though. I love me. Is this Avicii? Oh,
It's Friday then. It's Saturday,
feels like a Friday. Dion, I always ask you to play the song for us on Fridays, don't I? She says
I'm
sure
gonna
do.
I'm going to try this.
I need a glass. Uh-oh. Look at this.
Well,
Now it's a party.
the shrimp tacos are delicious. The music is bumping.
My
Bumpin'?
apron's
You're
fire.
the best. Thank you so much
All right,
for
thank you.
joining us. Do you have anything else to do in the next 57 minutes?
Do you have anything else to do? We got to go back to the Hamptons. We got a couple bachelor
No.
parties.
The next 57 minutes, you have to hang out
Trick
here.
question. He'll be right
I'm
here.
staying with you guys.
DJ Chef on the ones and twos and on the hot plate. Follow him on Instagram and TikTok at DJ Chef Rocks. And like we said, he's not going anywhere. He's stuck with us. We got this bottle of Hampton water to drink. We're keeping the party going all hour long.